This video we discuss how to use keyboard shortcut for creating a heavy minus sign in your Windows computer. So for doing this you must open your Microsoft Word. So after opening the MS Word document you can follow this keyboard shortcut Alt 10134 for creating a heavy minus sign. Okay, for doing this you must go to your computer keyboard, and suppose in this keyboard if the number lock key is off you must turn on the number lock. Now you can see that we have enabled the number lock. Now you can see Alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press and hold this Alt key. You did not remove your finger from this Alt key, and after that you can type here 10134. So after typing 10134 you can release your finger from this Alt key. So you can see that this is the heavy minus signs, that is the size will be more big than the normal minus. So you can see that we have created a heavy minus sign using this keyboard shortcut Alt 10134. For more videos you can subscribe. Thank you.